Hello
and welcome to Hygromatik. My name is Gebhard Markgraf, and we are presently in the presentation room at Hygromatik. I would like to show you what monthly maintenance looks like on the Hygromatik HPS high pressure system. Maintenance is divided into two parts. The first part is at the pump enclosure. The second part deals with the components located in the air channel. Before I open the pump enclosure, I disconnect the unit from the power supply and protect it against restarting. First part of maintenance is to check the unit's air filter for dust particles, to maybe clean it, or to replace the fleece altogether. Furthermore, we have our water collection pan. If there should be any water in it, this could be an indication that the high pressure pump is leaking. In this case, please contact Hygromatik so we can consult on further service measures. Furthermore, we will check the oil level of the pump. On the side here we have an inspection glass that shows the oil level. The oil level should always be above the halfway point of the inspection glass. The last step of maintenance at the pump enclosure is to check the water filter. To do this, unscrew the filter casing. Check the filter and see if it is dirty, change if necessary, and if it is in good condition we can reuse it and screw the casing on tight. Also, I want to check the whole cabinet for dirt and debris. If anything is lying around, I would clean or remove anything. And that was all concerning maintenance at the pump enclosure. We have now reached the second part of maintenance, namely the components which are installed in the air channel. For the one part, the vortex module wall with the installed nozzles, and for the other part we have our droplet separators. For spray nozzle maintenance, it is important to check the spray pattern. In this here pictured example, you see a perfect spray pattern from a spray nozzle. It shows a homogeneous spray cone without droplet formation. With excessive droplet formation, a cleaning of the nozzles becomes necessary. In this case, we recommend contacting Hygromatik. As for maintaining the two droplet separators, these are checked to see if there is any dirt on them. If you should notice anything, the droplet separators are removed and cleaned. This was a brief description of the simple monthly maintenance on the Hygromatik high pressure system.